So to remove, begin by closing the clamps on the tube, and then disconnect the bladder from the genitalia by slipping the clamp off, removing the bladder, go ahead and disconnect the bladder from the fast tower. You can connect so you're not making a mess. Connect tubes together. So to clean out the bladder, it is best to do this above a sink. Take the syringe, fill it with water, connect the syringe to your hose. Make sure this bladder is held upright. The black cap is pointed upward. And then squeeze the contents of the syringe through and into the bladder. You can go ahead and disconnect the syringe, and to empty it, just tip the bladder up and over to dispel the rest of the liquid. After you have disconnected the bladder and genitalia, make sure you have cleaned the bladder and emptied out all the water, and then clean the genitalia with warm water. You'll want to empty out the excess liquid. Begin by taking the cap off, and do this over a sink, and then pour out the excess liquid, and then go ahead and hold the canister upright, undo the clamps, to expel the remaining liquid, and then you can flush the rest of it out with warm water, and then wipe it clean with a towel and set out to dry, making sure that the clamps remain open to allow the excess liquid that are trapped inside the tubes to dry out.